Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Python interpreter in VS Code. So in order to change your Python interpreter, what you need to do is simply click on this Python version just at the below right corner of your VS Code screen. So if you'll click on here, a windows will pop up from the upside, and then you can choose any interpreter that you want. So there are also other options like creating virtual environment, or you may also choose to enter the interpreter path if it is not showing. And then there are other interpreter like this one from this address, or the default one, which is the recommended interpreter. So if I want to go with this interpreter, I can choose it by simply clicking here, and here you can see that it has been changed. Now moving back to the recommended, I can simply click here and it will switch back to the recommended interpreter. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.